Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use circle to search on your Android 16 on the Samsung Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and long press the home button right here at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you long press it, you will see this menu pop up. And what you guys can do here is you guys can circle something or basically scribble over any image on the screen. And then, as you guys can see, let's go over around this widget. As you guys can see, this is the start button. Here we got some visual matches, but this AI overview did not help us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this widget right here. And as you guys can see, we got the image displays a weather widget showing the current conditions in Warsaw. So we got a location, temperature, and conditions. Now, if you guys, for an example, go over to gallery, and here, if I wanted to use this picture, I can also go here and now select this. And as you guys can see, it'll start searching for it. So this is how you guys can easily use that. You guys can also go over and you can hold it and then type something into the Google. It will scan the entire screen. Of course, you can use the voice, and here you guys can play, sing, or hum a song. So this is actually insane. Now we got the translator, of course, and as you guys can see, let's go over and select Albanian. Now it should actually translate it, but I think that I messed up right here. Okay, it works. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. Now this is how you guys can use the circle to search. It's pretty easy. All you need is press this button, or if you're using the navigation, then you'll just hold this long navigation handle at the bottom too. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.